We are seeing across the world a huge push towards digital assets. Matty Greenspan, eToro. Donald Trump has been on tour this past week, meeting the Pope amongst others. Has there been any significant movement from the dollar as a result?
Yes and no. Actually, it's been muted. Donald Trump seems to be better abroad than he is at home. Just in the week before he went on tour, the U.S. dollar was on a massive slide with the firing the FBI director and all the scandal, and then as soon as he went to Saudi Arabia, seems like there was some sort of a recovery. We have at the moment on the eToro network incredible buy sentiment on the U.S. dollar. The U.S. dollar index, we're seeing 86% of clients who are trading this asset are in the buy position, and 69% are buying against the euro. So definitely some are seeing it as undervalued at this point.
OPEC announced an extension to the output cut. How big of an effect do you expect this to have?
It could be significant. The cuts were already widely expected and priced into the market before the announcement. But I think it should have a significant adverse effect, actually. Right now we're seeing oil below $50 a barrel. Oil is actually a leading indicator in many markets. The energy sector actually fell yesterday, but it was muted enough that the rest of the stocks were able to cover. However, if we do see oil sustained below $50 a barrel, or if we dip significantly below where we are now, say to the 30 to 40 range, we could see even shale producers start to shut off their pumps, and that would certainly have an effect on the global economy.
Something that is becoming more and more relevant is cryptocurrencies. Could you explain more about the current situation, and is there currently a bubble?
Bubble? I don't think so, no. The current situation is explosive. We're seeing, not only in eToro, but across the entire world, a huge push towards digital assets. You have to think about, if you think about what gives money value, generally speaking, it's only because other people believe it has value. And the more and more the cryptocurrencies get popular, the more people assign value to it. So at the moment we had, or just about a month ago, Japan made a move to accept Bitcoin as a legal currency across the entire country. Directly after that, there's a company called Bitflyer who signed a contract to bring Bitcoin to 260,000 storefronts in Japan. So if you think about it, the Bank of Japan is actually actively trying to devalue the yen. And Japanese culture actually, at the moment, or the Japanese economy relies a lot on cash. So this move towards digital is a very welcome move for them, especially if you can take your money out of something that's depreciating and put it into something that's rapidly appreciating, and be able to walk into any storefront, pay for your goods and walk out, with your mobile phone and a digital wallet. That's only going to improve the value.
Thank you, Matty, for your expert views. I'm Jack Everett, and this was the Weekly Wrap. We'll be back on Monday for the week ahead. Until then, goodbye.